We all know how much technology is shaping our future.
Jobs are becoming more and more computationally intense, and even artificial intelligence is becoming part of our daily lives.
To get students prepared for tomorrow, at an early age, we offer real programming in AI. But is it enough, Ryan?
Almost. We need students to experience the thrill of creating. It can't be monotonous. It has to be fun. That's why we created this mini self-driving car for students. They'll learn real-world, high-demand skills using this hands-on, project-based self-driving car.
Perfect. Now, how can we help teachers bring this to their classrooms?
Yes, teachers are heroes in the classroom, and we're here to help them, not stress them out. That's why our lessons are video-based, and student assessments are auto-graded. Teachers tell us all the time how much they love the ready-made curriculum for Python and artificial intelligence.
Alright, so let's take a deeper look into the AutoAuto product.
Cars come in red, blue, or green. Here's a green one, my personal favorite. They're super durable. Each car is powered by a Raspberry Pi computer and our custom sensor board. It comes with a battery that lasts up to 4 hours, including a battery charger, and various supplies needed for projects.
Thank you, Ryan. Next, let's see how our learning platform works. Step 1. Register to your private cohort. You can have as many private cohorts as you like during a semester. Step 2. Connect your car to the school Wi-Fi. This is a one-time step at the beginning of the semester. Step 3. Pair with your car. By typing the VIN that comes with the car. Each account only needs to do that once. Now your car is ready to go.
Thanks for showing us those steps, Joyce. Next, will you show us how to write our first Python program?
Alright, let's do it. Since the car is set up, I can go to the first lesson, watch it, and just start coding.
And soon enough, your students will be leveling up at their own pace and in a fun way.
Thank you for bringing these important skills to your students.